Hello, good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Dayan Iling Obsanya, 31 years old. I am a Filipino, single, and I don't have any kids. I have two sisters and two brothers, and I am the eldest. I graduated 2 years later of Information Technology, major in computer programming. As a domestic helper here, I've been working here in Oman since 2018 up until now. The end of my contract will be on July 2025. My skills include being a housekeeper, cleaner, and cooker. As a domestic helper, my personality will be characterized by diligence, efficiency, and a commitment to providing excellent service. I will be reliable, trustworthy, and respectful of the family's privacy and preferences. I will be proactive in identifying and addressing household needs, and always maintain a professional and courteous demeanor. My focus would be on ensuring a clean, organized, and comfortable home environment. I can work with a coworker, but I can also work alone. As my preferred job, I cook Arabic food and Asian. I can wash and ironing the clothes. I can also clean the house and taking care of kids, including feeding, bathing, and providing emotional support. All, Ma'am and Sir, thank you.